my time, you all I want. Neither of us.
G'day, Rudy here. So looking at another Livewire article with the fund manager, the Martin Currie fund manager. He's obviously talking up his stocks in his portfolio, but I think he's onto something, this one. I don't usually agree with a lot of these fund managers. But yeah, there's something there to get excited about. So basically, why smart money is quietly shifting gears. So what his story is basically all about is the value gap bigger than we've seen in decades. So he's basically saying there's a big disconnect between PE forecasts along with growing chasm between the market's most expensive and cheapest stocks. Suggests we're approaching a moment of reckoning that could significantly reward value-orientated investors. For us, the question isn't if value will outperform, but when. And based on our history of managing Australian value equity portfolios, plug, when it does, it comes fast. So this is his little chart. Basically, when it's peaking, that's when the expensive stocks have become too expensive compared to their PE. And it's time when value stocks come into play. So this is basically the GFC, this is the Corona hit, and this is where we are now. So he's basically saying the high PE stocks are overvalued and due for a drop, and the undervalued PE stocks are due for a kick. And I can't agree with that. I can't disagree with that philosophy. I think momentum's had its run for a bit. Time for the cheapies to get in there. But if you have a look at some of these stocks in here, they're like rockets. So the first one we'll look at, Medibank Private. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's a buy. The next one, he's got ANZ. Hadn't looked at this for a while, but yeah, I mean, let me just get that sorted for you, the positioning. So it's broken this downtrend channel for a multi-year, and now sitting nicely in an uptrend channel. So yeah, tick. QBE, my God, this is like a gold stock. Look at that. This is for the monthly. Yeah, we're looking at monthly bars. So basically, it started here, went all the way down, then all the way back up. It's that little green blip up there. So it's a rocket. Probably deserves it. You can see back in here, and it's 8 days up at 30 odd bucks. We've got a lovely rounding bottom. Look at that. That's one of the most powerful things you can see, especially when it's over multi years. So that's a buy. He's doing well, this one. He's got a few losers now, I think. Horizon. So Horizon. Nah, I wouldn't touch it. What's his next one? Flight Centre. You can see that rounded top. That's the opposite of the rounded bottom. That's going down. What's his next one? AGL. So look at AGL. Yes. See this $11 has been a sort of support resistance level for a while. Had a few. We've had 1, 2, 3. Fourth one usually does it. Yeah, that's worth a crack. So he's done well. This one, I like him. And he's maintaining underweight in CBA and CSL, which I agree with as well, because if you look at CBA, there's no way it deserves that type of performance. It's going to fall out of that channel for sure. And CSL, yeah, I mean, it's going sideways really, so why would you be overweight? Alright, it's good to see Livewire putting up a decent fund manager. Alright, thanks for that.
Never waste my time. You all I want.